Oh, you about to make me throw up.
Go.
All right.
For real.
He's a flight attendant and you about to
I know,
make him
right?
throw up?
Fucking AJ's like, you want
Motion
me to...
sickness?
Huh?
All right.
He's like, you want me to record this? He's like, "Blah!"
Start the cut. YouTube, I'm back. We got a brand new one here. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. All the good stuff. We're gonna put a fade on this hair. We're leaving the top. And we're gonna start off balding the bottom. I don't know if you could tell or not, but we're shooting on a 4K Sony camera right now. So I'm still working out the kinks here and there, because it's a whole nother type of thing. But we're all the way official with this camera. So give a comment or anything if you can see a difference in the video, but we're doing big things right now, 2021. So back to the haircut. At this point, we're gonna take the 2 guard. We're gonna go with the grain, against the grain, and we're basically debulking the side. Instead of going up the whole way, we want to go down with it also. You want to go with the grain and then back against the grain so that you can get a nice surface. Now we got the 1 guard. We're going to pretty much do the same thing. Going to open and close the lever. And we're just going to conjoin the top and the bottom. Now we got our edges, and we're going to just... We don't need enhancements here, guys. Leave hair. Use the edges when you're supposed to use them. Line them up a little bit first so that all the hair isn't gone that you want to go back and enhance. Right here is a little bit blurry, but it's gonna clear up right now. But yeah, guys, go back down with the 1 guard, open and close as you need it, and pretty much we're just blending away on the sides. There you go, it's coming together nice. No enhancements right there, and the side isn't even razored up. All right, we have the blade all the way open, and we're closing it to take out that bottom line. We're gonna work our way up from the bottom. Get that bottom line out of there completely, using the corners of the blade on the cordless Andis Masters. Still one of my favorite hair clippers. Now we have the 1 guard. We got it open, so we're at a 1.5. We're gonna create our second layer, guideline, whatever we want to call it. As you can see in the back, because we have a lot more area to work with, I was just starting from the bottom, moving up. Now we have that 2 guard. And a 2 guard is especially good when you're doing these type of haircuts, because if you just go up all the way, you're gonna end up making it look weird when you get to the top. So you definitely want to go down. That's combing the hair down, so then when you go up, the hair is getting cut because you're pushing the hair down. If you keep going up, if you just go up the whole way with the haircut, eventually the hair's gonna bunch up at the top. It's not gonna get cut. It's kind of hard to explain, but if you try this technique, you'll notice. You'll know what I'm talking about. Now we're just gonna work on that little bump back in the back of the head. Clean that up. Make it super smooth. Now we're going back down with the grain. Now I'm here. I always double check the corners between the side and the back, and just make sure it's conjoined the same. So yeah, we had a 2 guard going down with it. Now we have 1.5 going up, and we're gonna make it smooth, man. This haircut is coming together quick, like, and we're still keeping enough darkness on the sides so that it still has detail. Now we got a 1/2 guard on this side. Now we got the 1.5. Got the guard open, and yeah, we're gonna make it happen, Captain. Go ahead, like, subscribe to the channel. I'm like 3 racks invested already in my little mini YouTube channel. So support your boy. It's free to subscribe, guys. We're working out the camera angles and everything. To me, it was like It was really satisfying to actually get a camera for tutorials and other stuff like that. See, we're gonna edge him up before we start fading the bottom. And what that's doing is that gives me more power if I want to fade that bottom line out, if I want to keep it dark all the way down. Then when I'm looking at the lineup from the front, I can do whatever I want. I don't got to think about, oh man, it looks too light, let me spray this dark. You know, we already got it dark. You know, everything you do with enhancements, you can leave hair unless there's no hair there. Some people just don't got hair there. But if you're learning how to cut hair, yeah, don't mess with that stuff. That's like garnish on the haircut. Learn how to cut hair. When I was in barber school, this was 11 years ago, everybody was doing designs. Fresh ass designs, bombs in people's heads, graffiti artists, brick walls, arrows, cursive writing. I didn't do none of that. I did like maybe 3 designs, maybe in barber school. But I learned how to cut hair. Every haircut that I learned how to do the basics first. You want to do the basics. You don't want to start off like, you don't want to go to an MMA class and learn how to do a flying crucifix or some Conor McGregor stuff. You want to learn how to block and how not to get choked out in 30 seconds. But back to the haircut. Using the scissors to debulk without taking out the darkness, if that makes any sense. Now we're gonna line them up. But yeah, man, don't be afraid. You master the basics, and then, you know, everything else from that becomes easy. If you want to do enhancements after you've been cutting hair for 4 years, go ahead and do enhancements. But if you spread yourself too thin while you're on this journey to become a great barber, doing designs, doing enhancements and all this, that, and that thing, there might be 1 or 2 gifted people that can do all that and just become, you know, one of the greatest barbers of all time. But generally in life, you want to sit down, focus, master the basics, master the things that you're gonna do all the time, tapers, fades, this, that, and the other thing, and then go from there. All right, we're gonna razor them up. I'm so excited, guys. This is my first haircut with my Sony camera, shot in 4K. I still hate editing in 4K because it slows everything down on the computer, but I do it for y'all. Throw this on the TV, man. It looks super dope on the TV. If you watch it on your phone, you're not doing it justice. Put on the TV when you're relaxing. You know, you're out here eating your dinner. That's a haircut, guys. And yeah, the first one of many. Go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.